Alright creators, we spent the past few weeks testing 5 of the best gimbal stabilizers of 2025, and not in a studio. We mounted DSLRs, mirrorless cams, even a BMPCC 6K, and ran these rigs through real shoots, travel vlogs, client work, and chaotic outdoor B-roll. If you're tired of shaky footage and want smooth cinematic motion without the stress, this roundup's for you. Let's dive in. We kicked things off with the FeiyuTech SCORP 2, and this thing is smarter than it looks. Built-in eye tracking means it follows your face or subject without needing an app or external module. We tested it with a Sony A7RV, and it tracked flawlessly, even during walk and talk shots. The 1.3-inch touchscreen is super responsive, and switching to vertical shooting took seconds, thanks to the quick release system. If you're a solo shooter or content creator who wants intelligent stabilization without the bulk, this gimbal is a game changer. Check the description. We've linked our tested setup and the best prices online. Next up, the DJI RS 3 Mini. We took it on a travel shoot and honestly, it crushed it. It handled our Sony A7IV with a mid-range zoom lens like a champ. Native vertical shooting is perfect for reels and TikToks, and the 2-kilogram payload is ideal for mirrorless setups. It's lightweight, easy to balance, and perfect for creators who want pro stabilization without lugging around a full rig. Hit the description for our test footage and the best launch deals. The Crane 4E is like the Crane 4's leaner sibling. It's lighter, more affordable, and still packed with features. We love the native vertical shooting and the accessory expansion options. We rigged it with a mic and LED panel, and it handled the load just fine. It's clearly built for YouTubers, indie filmmakers, and anyone who wants flexibility without going full pro. Want a gimbal that adapts to your workflow? Check the description for our top picks and bundles. This one's for solo shooters. The Weebill 3S is compact, but surprisingly powerful. We used it for a full day of shooting, interviews, product shots, and some handheld B-roll, and it never got in the way. The fill light is a nice touch, and the vertical shooting mode made it super easy to switch formats mid-shoot. It's lightweight, quick to balance, and perfect for mirrorless cameras. Tap the description for our tested setup and best prices. We've got everything listed. We saved the big boy for last. The Crane 4 handled our Canon R5 with a 24 to 70mm lens and didn't even blink. It's built for serious payloads and comes with a built-in fill light that actually helped during low-light shoots. PD fast charging kept us rolling all day, and the grip design made long sessions surprisingly comfortable. If you're shooting short films, client projects, or anything with a heavy setup, this gimbal is your tank. Check the description. We've linked the exact gear we used and the best prices we found. So there you have it, 5 gimbals we actually tested, each with its own strengths depending on your gear and shooting style. Whether you're filming cinematic scenes, fast-paced vlogs, or vertical content, there's a stabilizer here that'll elevate your footage. Smash that like button, subscribe for more hands-on gear reviews, and don't forget to check the description for all the product links and best prices we found.